Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mine Bondex tokens. Bondex is a Web3 talent network where you can earn BNDX tokens directly from your mobile device. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any special equipment. You can easily download the Bondex Origin app on both Android and iOS platforms to begin your journey. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, allowing you to start earning with just a few taps. To get started, first download the Bondex Origin app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account, which you can do using your email address or phone number. If you have a referral code from a friend, be sure to enter it during sign-up to receive a bonus. Finally, complete your profile with relevant information to enhance your mining rate from the very beginning. Activating your mining session is simple. Just tap the Start Earning Now button within the app every 24 hours. Your base earning rate is 0.01 BNDX per hour. To significantly boost this rate, ensure your profile is fully completed, which can increase your earnings by 25%. Additionally, inviting friends to join Bondex through your referral link will further amplify your hourly token accumulation. Bondex tokens, or BNDX, are the native cryptocurrency of the Bondex Web3 talent ecosystem. These tokens are designed to facilitate various transactions and services within the platform. While they are not yet available for trading on public exchanges, they are intended to be used for payments, rewards, and potentially governance in the future. Earning them now positions you for their upcoming utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.